Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna unbox the Apple iPhone 14 in the lavender color with the 128GB variant. So let's quickly unbox and see what's inside. And here we are greeted with the iconic Apple packaging. It's always a satisfying experience unboxing iPhones. And here it is, the iPhone 14 in the lavender color. The lavender looks really good and very premium. Let's keep this aside, and inside we have the usual suspects: paperwork, Apple sticker, and the charging cable. Yeah, let's peel off and take a closer look. The build quality is exceptional, it feels solid in hand, and the lavender color is absolutely stunning. Let me quickly boot the device. The setup is simple, just a few taps and we are ready to go. Coming to the overview, on the left we have the alert slider, volume up and down, and the SIM tray. On the bottom we have the lightning connector, microphone, and the speaker grill. Yeah, I have the 128GB variant, out of which 117GB was used. Also have the update to the iOS 16.17.2. The camera system has some impressive upgrades comparing with the iPhone 13. Yeah, we have the dual lens camera on the back with 12+12 sensors and with a flashlight as well. Yeah, we have 1x, 2x, 3x, and also the cinematic mode in the video. And both the front and back can support up to 4K 60 frames per second. It really takes some decent looking photos where the colors look natural, and the experience with the display is also good. Colors are natural. The sound from the stereo speaker and are also great to listen as well. So I will be comparing the iPhone 14 with the Samsung S21 FE Snapdragon 888 variant, and the video will be out very soon. So please do like, share, and subscribe. I brought this from Flipkart during the Diwali sale for 48,000 after applying the card discounts. So at 48,000, that was a really good deal, so I just purchased it. So thanks for watching the video. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.